Welcome to this video training on AI tools and prompting, designed specifically for our internship program. Over the next 45 days, we will cover practical workflows for digital marketing, video editing, and coding.
Our process is simple yet powerful. Every task follows a linear cycle. You start with a prompt, create a draft, review the output, improve it, and finally, publish the result. Our goal is for you to become AI-assisted operators. You must understand the business logic, verify all AI outputs for quality and truth, and measure the final results. Always remember, AI is the assistant, you are responsible. In this video, we outline the ecosystem of tools we use, categorized by the type of work, ranging from text and research to coding. Master the categories first. Tools change, but the core work types remain. It is critical to understand what AI can and cannot do. While it is excellent for drafting and brainstorming, it lacks human context and factual accuracy, so never blindly trust its output. Prompting is about control. A vague instruction leads to generic content. Effective prompting requires specific roles, context, and clear constraints to ensure the output meets our quality standards. We use an 8-part formula for every prompt. This includes defining the role, the task, the specific audience, the desired tone, the format, and any necessary quality or grammar rules. Your skills will progress through several levels, starting from basic single-task prompting to advanced multi-step systems and complex coding workflows. Focus on moving from simple request to total control. Follow this 6-step daily workflow for every task. Understand the goal, prompt the AI, generate the content, review, manually improve it, and submit the final piece along with your original prompt. Use our quality control checklist for every output. Perform a truth check, a brand alignment check, and a result check to ensure the work is accurate, professional, and effective. For digital marketing, follow this specific stack. Break down your work into research, planning, creation, design, publishing, and measurement, using targeted prompts for each individual stage. When prompting for SEO, always include specific details like keywords, target audience, and required structural elements like headings and FAQs. Ensure every page includes a call to action and internal links. For ad campaigns, always define the objective, audience, and measurement metrics clearly. Remember to provide the AI with your budget and goals to get realistic campaign plans. When planning your monthly calendar, remember that a balanced content strategy should cover offers, trust building, education, and behind-the-scenes content to maintain audience engagement. Finally, for video and reels, your prompt must be descriptive. Include details about the hook, specific scenes, voiceover direction, and on-screen text to guide the final edit effectively. Moving to design, this video explains how to use effective prompt patterns for posters in Canva. Always focus on layout and readability, keeping text minimal for mobile viewing. When analyzing reports, go beyond creative work. Use prompts that ask for calculations like cost per click and conversion rates to determine if your marketing campaigns are actually working. Coding requires precision. Begin by providing full project context, including your stack and file paths. Vague instructions only lead to broken code, so be specific about your requirements. Use this proven coding structure for your tasks. Include the role, current issues, specific constraints, and clear expectations. Always ask for the corrected code and step-by-step testing instructions. For front-end projects, like landing pages or React components, define your framework, section requirements, and button behaviors. Ensure the code you generate remains beginner-friendly and clean. When working on back-end tasks, your prompts must detail request bodies, response formats, and error handling. Clear documentation in your prompt helps generate robust server-side code. Debugging can be time-consuming. Streamline it by including the exact error, the command that failed, and the relevant file content. This prevents loops and helps find the real cause faster. For database tasks, describe your schema requirements clearly. Always specify if fields are optional or unique, and ask for sample JSON objects to verify your model structure. Deployment is high stakes. Use a beginner-safe pattern that separates staging from production. Always ask for verification and rollback steps to protect our live environment. Before finalizing any code, use AI as a reviewer. Ask it to check for bugs, security risks, and performance gaps. Always manually verify the suggestions before you merge or publish. Here is a complete prompt example for a landing page. Notice how it defines the section order, the tech stack, and the call to action, providing a clear path for the AI to follow. When building React components, define your component's state, like loading or error views, early in the prompt. This creates a better user experience and makes your integration much smoother. This example shows a backend API prompt. By requesting separate files and testing steps, you ensure the output is modular, readable, and ready for integration into our project. To reach an advanced level, use techniques like few-shot prompting by providing examples, adding negative constraints for what to avoid, and chaining roles to improve output quality. Finally, prioritize safety. Never upload private customer data, passwords, or sensitive documents to AI tools. Maintain brand standards, avoid plagiarism, and remember that human review is mandatory. Let's review the 45-day training plan. It is structured in 5 phases, guiding you from understanding AI basics and prompt structure to executing a complete, multi-channel marketing campaign. We use this evaluation scorecard to track your progress. It assesses your ability in prompting, marketing, video, SEO, and coding, defining what constitutes a basic pass versus a strong, actionable pass. Efficiency is key. We maintain a master library of prompts categorized by marketing, SEO, video, design, coding, and reporting. We encourage you to contribute to this bank as you find new, successful patterns. Your final project is to prepare a 15-day AI-powered digital marketing campaign for BBSCART. This requires delivering a full set of content, scripts, ads, and strategy documentation to demonstrate your readiness. To continue your learning, refer to our official sources, including OpenAI's prompt engineering guides, Google Skillshop, and documentation for Meta and Canva. These tools are the foundation for your ongoing growth.